everyone. Thank you for joining in. So I got a really quick and easy, I don't know, reno of a mirror that I had here at the house. And although it's really pretty, it's a gorgeous mirror, I just didn't like that brown color anymore. So I decided to kind of paint it in the colors that I have around my house, which is this creamy white. It's a gorgeous color. I love it. It's on a neutral side, so anything and everything goes with it. It was bought at Walmart. The accent color is a teal green, a really teal green, really pretty. It's a bear paint. And I bought this at Home Depot. Again, another color that runs throughout my house as an accent. Now I can see where I got my hair into the paint. I was wondering how I got that there. I saw it later on. So I just run this color alongside the decoration on the frame itself, on the little knobs around the frame, on the edges, and on the little squirrelies on the top of the frame. As you can see there, it's just to accent it, just to give it a little bit of an oomph. And then I varnish it. And that's it. And the only reason I varnish it is because it's going into the bathroom. So, and that's it. That is absolutely it. And then you have a whole new mirror that looks absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps me out too. Let me know what you think, okay? Bye.